Welcome to EasyFix. In this video I am going to show you whether is it possible to change the normal 350cc clutch assembly. That means normally it comes with 3 friction plate and 3 plain plate clutch assembly. Okay, whether is it possible to increase it to 4 or 5 plate clutch assembly. Before that, we need to know, is there any advantage of increasing this number of friction plate? We are having some advantage. So if you increase the number of friction plate here, while releasing the clutch, there won't be any sudden jerk in the vehicle. Speed increase will be gradual. Likewise, the half clutch performance also better if you increase the number of plates. So here this is on the normal assembly. Okay, so here we are having clutch bell, first friction plate followed by plain plate, then again the friction plate followed by a plain plate, then friction plate, then finally you will have another one plain plate. Okay, this is what the clutch assembly, normal clutch assembly. You can increase the number of friction plate into 4 by using Endurance friction plate. This one is the original friction plate. Here it is Endurance brand. Okay, you can see the thickness difference. Okay, this one is very thin when compared to the original friction plate. First plain plate followed by first Endurance friction plate, then plain plate, the second friction plate, okay, then third plain plate followed by third friction plate, then we need to go for the fourth plain plate, then the fourth friction plate followed by the clutch bell. Okay, so you can see here it's closed exactly. If you increase it further, for example, if we are going for 5 friction plate, so this is what 5 plate in 350cc. So here comes out. Therefore, it's not possible to have 5 plate in 350cc clutch assembly. So if you want to increase this from 4 plate to 5 plate, means here we need to go for 500cc clutch assembly. We are having the clutch center for 350cc. This one is for 500cc. Okay, so now we are checking the height of these two clutch centers. Okay, so here the height is around 6.2 centimeter. Likewise, here the height is 6.8. So totally the difference between these two plates are 0.5 centimeter. Okay, likewise we are having clutch sprocket. Okay, so here the size are entirely same. Okay, circumference size is entirely same. Now we will check the height. Okay, so here it shows the height as 2.2 centimeter. Here it's showing the height as 2.7. Okay, so here also we are having a deviation of 0.5 centimeter. Okay, therefore we cannot use 350cc clutch assembly for 5 plate assembly. Okay, but we can use this 500cc clutch assembly for 5 plate. Okay, we are having this 500cc clutch assembly. This clutch sprocket and clutch centers are 0.5 centimeter length here when compared to this 350cc. So first we need to go for the plain plate, then followed by this endurance friction plate, then we need to go for the plain plate, then friction plate, this one is second one, then third plain plate, then third friction plate, fourth plain plate, fourth friction plate, then fifth plain plate, then followed by fifth friction plate. Then we will go for the clutch bell. Yeah, so here you can see the assembly, it's fixed exactly, and here we are having 5 friction. If you want to go for 5 friction plate clutch assembly, means here we need to change this clutch sprocket as well as clutch center. Thanks for watching.